First fish. Oh, it's a big crappie. Might as well. Wow, Dad. We're just talking about these.
I like to keep them.
Maybe get a string from that thing and rig it up. First fish is a slab.
Where they're at.
Yep. Nice. Look at that. Nice. Nice. He thumped that. Early spring. Nice one. Big perch.
Big perch?
Yeah. I'm gonna flip him. I'm gonna put him on a stringer? Hell yeah. Nice one, guys. I think we might catch a variety. That's what we like to do. There we go. Nice perch. Another fish. It's weird, acting weird. Oh, another bass. Oh, look at that. Nice. Early spring fishing. Oh.
Wait, he's taking it.
Oh.
Something was running with that thing.
Yeah, he was. Look at that, guys. I just had a. Oh, what is that? Big crappie, Dad.
Is it really?
Yes. Wow. Oh my God. Look at the size of that crappie, Dad. Let's measure this. Oh, 15 inches. Wow, Dad. Wow. That is a giant. That's like probably almost a 2-pound crappie, Dad. That's I think the biggest fish of the day. Guys, we were just freaking, everything's out here. Big perch. Wow.
We'll throw him back though.
You sure? Which perch is bigger? I think they're about the same.
The one he just caught was bigger.
All right, maybe throw the other one back. Wow, guys, it is freaking really good.
Oh, nice one.
Hell yeah. Look at this. Catching a little bit of everything today. Catching bass, nice crappie, nice perch. Get them in. Nice. Big perch. Real big perch. This is a big one, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
You are keeping this one. There's a lot of perch in this lake. Nice ones. Looks like we're having perch and crappie tonight. Wow.
It's gotta be a nice bass. Real nice bass.
Oh boy. This is something really nice. Head shaking now. That's a big bass, Dad.
Nice.
Holy cow. Oh my God. Yeah. Man, he's thick though.
Yeah, he is. Real heavy.
Yeah, he is. Look at that one, guys. That's a nice bass. There we go. It's my turn. I didn't really set the hook that great. I just lifted up. Oh my God. Holy cow.
That's a nice perch.
I thought this was a bass. Holy crap.
Just lay him right here for now.
Over 12 inches.
Nice perch.
Oh, that's a nice swirl. What is that? What a stumpy thing.
Fat little bastard, ain't it?
Nice one.
Oh yeah, the boat's spinning.
Yeah, I'm gonna hook him good. Oh, that is a nice one there. Oh, I hooked him really good. Look at this one, guys. That is a nice one. All right, guys, what a nice one here. Nice. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, wow.
Heavy.
Yeah, he is. You want him?
No, you can throw him back, but
Wow.
let me see his tail for a second. Look at that dark spot.
I caught them in here like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. First bass on the side. Nice. Nice one. Let's rig it up again, guys. And my dad, that's something really big. Like really big. Like big. Oh my God. What is that? I don't know. Holy shit.
That bass. Oh my God.
That thing is huge. That thing is, I don't know how big that thing is. It's Oh my God. Dad. Oh my God. Oh my God. That thing is huge. Hell yeah. But,
He's fat.
oh my God, that's probably at least 6 pounds. Oh my God. That thing is huge. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Want to get him back in?
Yeah.
That's a trophy. Wow.
Here we go.
Holy cow.
How many pounds he had?
I don't know what that. It's huge though. He was heavy. Fish is kind of going all over the place. Oh yeah. Bass. Wow. He just went under. Yes. There we go. Nice. Nice. There we go, guys. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. I'm not gonna. Days like today, guys. This is days you want to fish. Nice. There we go. It's head shaking pretty decent though. Yep. Bass. Waiting for that trolling motor. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
They are heavy.
Yeah, like that's a nice one there.
Oh, that popped right out.
Yeah. Get him back in. Wow.
I could use that for bait, the one I got.
You could use that crappie you caught as bait for that bass. Right out the other one, guys. Not as big, still a nice bass. I'm coming in now. He gave up.
Yeah, he seemed like he was closer.
You can tell it's a male. Wow, guys, non-stop pretty much. There we go. It's a nice fish here.
Yes, it is. Stop. Moving the boat. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one here. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nice 3-pounder or so.
At least.
At least 3.5.
Man, guys, it is just a phenomenal day. We were catching giant bass, giant crappie, giant perch, giant, literally everything. Didn't have to get up early, took our time, and look, it's paying off with freaking great fish. Nice one, guys. Whoa. He felt bigger than that. When I hooked him, it felt huge. Come here. There we go. Nice one, nice keeper. Oh, that was a big swirl. Oh, that's a nice bass. I thought it was bigger. Oh, your rod always looks like it's bigger. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice keeper. There we go. Guys, my dad has something else that's big. Oh God, yeah.
Whoa, yeah, he's pretty nice.
He is nice. Yeah. That's a nice one. Man, guys, today is just a phenomenal day of fishing. Nice fish, nice quality fish. Got a nice dinner, some big freaking crappie, perch. We caught some more perch today, guys, too. We just threw them back because you cannot. That's a real nice fish. Perfect day of fishing. The huge perch. Guys, I thought this was a bass. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, guys, I think I'm gonna keep one more perch. Oh my God.
Might as well.
Yeah, this is a nice, guys. I thought this was a bass. This guy was up close, guys. There he is. That's a nice fish, guys. Ugh. Nice. Nice keeper. He wasn't even close. The smaller ones are in closer, it seems. There we go. I didn't really hook him that good.
Ooh, nice one.
Yeah. Yeah. What an awesome day. There he goes. Nice. Oh my God, guys. You saw my dad hook this thing. There you go, Dad. Wow.
Take him off.
Wow, guys, the way my dad hooked it, I thought that thing was a freaking another 8-pounder. Guys, my dad is the freaking, whoa.
He's fighting.
Oh boy, that's a nice one, Dad. Wow. Ow. Oh yeah. Dad, I don't think you can have a better day of fishing than today. That's a beauty. Wow. there we go, guys. Nice stringer, homemade stringer full of fish. Thanks to my dad for catching that giant crappie. Me catching some big perch. Well, my dad caught all the crappie, but giant. Okay, guys, home now. What a phenomenal day it was. First day of bass fishing this year. My dad caught Moby Dick, literally Moby Dick of the lake, crappie version and bass version. Giant. We got the fish here. We're gonna flame up very soon. But oh my God, even just in the beginning, they were just catching those crappie and perch and those bass. I thought that was phenomenal, and it got better and better and better. But gonna flay these fish, guys. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great dinner. I can't wait. What a great day of fish. I can't express myself how great it was. So we'll get these fish prepared and cleaned. Okay, guys, got everything prepared for the flaying. Really nice fish. My dad's actually gonna flay them. He volunteered to flay them. I said, okay, go right ahead. So here they are here. This thing, oh my goodness. I measured them, it was over 15, probably almost 16 inches. My dad's gonna get cleaning here. I got this set up for him. And yeah, and we're getting them prepared for dinner. All right, guys, flays are done here. The flaying master did his part, did phenomenal. Rinse them in cold water and get them prepared. All right, guys, got the fish thawed out. We want to cut them in smaller bits, like a little bit, some of them, like some of these big crappie. I want to cut this one in half and make them a little more, like this size right here. We're going to cut them up into these bite size here, almost like boneless bites, really. Got the ingredients right here, guys. Nothing really too fancy. This is cornmeal, egg, and panko. Panko, I thought that was panko for a second. Panko here. And my favorite seasoning, rib rack, spicy rub, honey hot. This is the best seasoning, one of the best seasonings of all time. I think I'm gonna I have it in here with the panko, mix up a little bit. It's gonna be really, really good. I mean, I can't. This is actually the first time me doing this with the seasoning. I'll probably add some more when I put the fish in it, and yeah, this is gonna take a little bit. So yeah, let me get the fish breaded, get them ready to cook. All right, guys, we got the fish breaded now. Me and my dad, we both did half. So yeah, now we're gonna fry these fish up. It should be freaking great, really great. Eager to try with this seasoning mixed with the pen fry. It should be, I think it should be really good, honestly. I never did it before, but it's the first time doing it. So yeah, let's get these fish fried up. All right, guys, got the fish here. We're gonna put them in the pot here. This should be delicious. We're gonna put some fries in there too. These should be fine. Like kind of slow. These will not take long at all. They're actually almost done, guys. You're right. That's why deep frying is sometimes nice. The preparation takes a little bit, but the food don't take long. Look at that, guys.
I say they're done.
I say they're done too. Yeah. They look delicious. All right, taste test. Wow, this is the best fish probably that we have since the flounder.
Really?
I would say so.
Yeah,
wow, guys, this is delicious, guys. We get the fries done. This is gonna be epic. There we go. The last part of the meal. There we go. There we go, guys. The fries and the fish. It's gonna be a great dinner. What a great day of fishing it was that day. My dad caught Moby Dick. Caught Moby Dick of crappie too. That was a giant crappie. But yeah, just a great day of early season bass fishing and perch fishing and crappie fishing. Just great day of fishing, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video and see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.